Hello and welcome. Today we're doing a move called the reverse shortstop. Here it is. That's the move. Here is a slow-mo. All right, guys. So to get right into this one, it's going to be two different parts. You're going to learn the first part's easy, second part's easy, and then putting them together is going to work. So let's get right into it. Here's what you got to do. Starting off, you're going to start off in the pen grip, hang on to the bite handle, your thumb about 3/4 of the way down, index finger along the back of the knife, very standard pen grip. We're going to begin this move the exact same way we would begin with a Y2K roll. So completely vertical, flipping out the safe handle, and it's going to spin around your thumb, and you're going to catch the safe handle with your middle finger, just like so. And so pen grip, vertical Y2K around the thumb, release, does a short spin, catching with the middle finger. You'll notice my other fingers are kind of out of the way, just like this. So once you're able to do that, you can just practice that. Boom. Shouldn't be too difficult. The next step that we're going to do is immediately after this bite hand or the blade connects with your middle finger, we're going to do a little bit of an upwards jolt with our hand. Something kind of like this, upwards jolt. And what that's going to do is it's going to separate these handles, let my middle finger slide up the safe handle, and I can insert my ring finger to catch the knife just like so. And so that's what's a little bit different. So we're doing this Y2K, roll, catch on the middle finger, the knife comes around, upwards jolt, and inserting the ring finger to catch the knife just like so. So you should be able to just practice this. Boom, just like that. So once you've mastered this Y2K middle finger upwards jolt catch, you wind up here. And this is exactly where the next part of the move begins, which is, again, on its own, pretty simple. So all you're going to do here is you're going to take your middle finger and your ring finger, twist them so that way the blade, which used to be pointed towards the floor, is going to be pointed towards the ceiling, at which point you can remove your ring finger and open the knife just like so. Now, what you're probably thinking is, man, this is super awkward and really difficult, and it doesn't really work. And that's completely normal because that's how it feels. And so the key to this one is instead of doing an upwards jolt, we're going to do a downwards jolt. So as you're twisting with these fingers, you're going to do a downwards kind of drop. That's going to give you a little bit of extra momentum so that way you can catch the knife in the open position. So again, hanging on here, twisting up, downwards drop, and catch. So you can just practice that starting right from here. Boom, just like that. There you go. So now you can do that first part, you can do that second part. Now the key is to put them together, right? So we do this Y2K roll into this interesting catch, downwards drop, removing the ring finger and opening, and that's the whole move. And all you got to do is just work on putting these together more and more fluidly until you really got a smooth looking reverse shortstop. So that's the whole move. Hope you guys like that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.